Hey, this is Pete Bernard from EDGECELSIOR, here with the top 5 Edge predictions for 2024, and I'm here with my dog Dreidel, who's a little bit anxious. Number 1, Gen AI and Edge AI will be bridged with synthetic training scenarios leveraging real-world anomaly detection. What this means is that you're going to see Gen AI creating the training data for Edge AI scenarios and helping those systems get deployed faster and more accurately, and also acting as agents for the signals coming in from Edge AI, like anomaly detection. Second prediction is that the Edge energy dividend will be a top topic, driving awareness and investment to balance power for on-device AI versus data center. As you may know, there's a crisis going on right now in terms of getting enough power and electricity to power data centers to run Edge AI workloads. Number 3, low-power wireless connectivity. 5G RedCap, IoT, LoRaWAN, Wi-Sun, you name it. That will get more rationalized. I don't know if it's completely rationalized, but more rationalized. So one can only hope. Number 4, a prediction for 2024 for edge computing: cloud, DevOps, and MLOps will extend beyond the data center and will actually help drive holistic workload orchestration for edge and cloud. So how do you take the process and tools for creating Kubernetes-based workloads and orchestration in the cloud and actually extend that to edge devices, heavy and light edge devices? I think there'll be a lot of progress in that. For number 5, last but not least, cloud to edge AI model coherence. Right now, there isn't a lot of coherency between the edge and the cloud on AI models in terms of training and deployment. I think we're going to see more of that with better toolchain integration with NVIDIA Tau, ST Nano, Edge AI Studio. So just to recap the top 5 edge predictions for 2024, Gen AI and Edge AI bridge with synthetic training, Edge energy dividend, driving awareness and investment there, low power wireless connectivity getting more rationalized, cloud, DevOps, and MLOps extending beyond the data center to edge devices, and number 5, last but not least, cloud to edge AI model coherency via tool chains. I hope you have a good holiday, and I'll see you in 2024.